How to get A+ in economics. If you want to get an A+ in economics in a smart way, this video will help you a lot. First thing first. You need to understand the grade criteria of your economics class. It will give you a clear idea which areas are needed, how much effort, practice and understanding. This information, you will get your economics class syllabus and previous exam papers. Second most important point, you need to keep in mind the level of your class. It's for beginners, intermediate and advanced. Sometime, we will say it's your major or minor class. If this class is for the beginner, then you will get easy and basic types of questions will test in exams and assignments. If it's an advanced level economic class, then there is a chance you will get hard and complex questions, exams, assignments, group discussions, and presentations. You must prepare yourself according to your class level. Third most important thing, you must know your economics class recommended books. To get an A in an economics subject, you must know the importance of the recommended books. Mostly, exam questions will come from your core class book of economics. You will get this information from your class syllabus. After the understanding grade criteria, the class level and recommended books. Now you need to develop an understanding of economics subjects. Economics is a combination of theories, history, graphs, formulas, and calculations. It means to get A+ in economics, you need good writing skills, analyzing the graphs, memorizing the math-type formulas, and also good in basic math-type calculations. Developing these qualities is not hard, it's so simple. But here, you must know your strengths and weakness. Some students are good at writing, and others are good at mathematics-type calculation. Fortunately, the economics subject is a combination of writing, mathematics calculation, and graphics.
You will study the economics subject on a daily basis. Sometimes students are not performing well in the economics subject. It does not mean they are not good students. As per my own experience, they are not giving time to economics on a daily basis. It is better to give 2 hours daily to economics instead of studying 14 hours on a Sunday. If you study economics on a daily basis, your mind will keep fresh with the economics concepts and graphs. Due to this habit, the average student will get A+ in economics easily. You must understand your economics teacher in class. Some economics students face problems in understanding the teacher lecture. You need to try hard to understand what the teacher teaches in this class. You must note down all important points. When you will study these topics at home, then you will open your noted points, go through first, then you will study the topic in the book again at home or library. It will enhance your understanding with the topic. To get an A in economics, you need to think like an economist. You need to analyze a past economic situation. If the specific situation will give to you what you do and check how what an economist experts handle the situation. If you need to give suggestions in your economics easy paper, then you first try to quote the economist expert's suggestion there. When prominent economists visit your campus, attend their talks. This will give you insight into new developments in the field. Although the knowledge you acquire might not be related directly to your next test, you might be able to use an example from a lecture in an essay question. It is likely that some concepts about which you've learned, for example, supply and demand, will come out in the lecture. Hearing concepts applied to practical situations will help cement your knowledge. For getting an A in the economics class, you need to make a proper plan according to your time, strength, and weakness. Without proper planning and following your plan, it will be hard to get A in the economics class. Here is another most important point to get an A in economics is to tutor younger students. When studying economics, one way to solidify your knowledge of the basics is to review previous material by tutoring younger students. If you are a junior, for example, consider tutoring a first-year college student. This will also be economically beneficial in the sense that you will earn money. Another key point you must keep in your mid to get A+ in your economic class, you analyze your past 5 years' papers. It will give you a clear idea which type of questions had been tested in the previous exam. You also need to think why the examiner had chosen these questions to test on the exam. You must attempt mock economics exams. Mock exams will also help to find your weak area and handle the exam tension. If you can't put yourself in the exam type situation, then your brain will not train to handle the real exam effectively. Mock exam will give you a clear idea what will happen to you during the exam. One way to remember the information you learn is to communicate it to others. Gather a few classmates and form a study group. You can quiz each other before exams and practice applying theories to case studies. Try to form a group of students with similar academic abilities. This will optimize your study time and ability to assist one another. Aim for no more than 6 people in your group. Larger groups tend to lose focus more easily. Another key point to get A+ in your economics class is to watch the economics news daily. The economy is tied to political decisions, the environment, weather, and social movements. Stay up to date on what is happening in the world. Try to gather a range of perspectives. Although you might favor CNN, check out Fox News occasionally. If you are based in the US, be sure to access non-American sources as well. The BBC or Al Jazeera offers English language programming. You also try to read newspapers like the Financial Times or magazines like The Economist. These things will keep you updated in the economics world. It will also help you to understand complex economics theories in your book as well. Apply your economic knowledge to everyday situations. The great thing about studying economics is that it is relevant to your everyday life. For example, you can apply the concept of scarcity to your budget. Resources are not unlimited and you need to plan for their use. Look for moments while shopping or planning your money when you can apply economic theories. You could use the theory of marginal utility, or buying goods that give you the highest pleasure for the cost. For example, you could spend $10 on an economics handbook or $10 on a movie ticket. While you might enjoy the movie for 2 hours, the handbook could help you receive an A in economics, which could lead to graduate school, and a promising career. The lasting returns of the handbook are higher. Before moving forward, if you did not like this video, please like and subscribe Accounting Plus channel. Your few like and positive comments give me the energy to create helpful videos for you. In the end, you must keep your goals in mind. When studying for a difficult exam or doing a tedious homework assignment, remember why you are studying economics. Perhaps you want to work for the National Economic Council at the White House. Maybe you want to be a college professor yourself someday. Having a list near your desk of what you want to achieve with your economic knowledge will help you stay motivated. You may check our other amazing videos. How to get A+ in accounting class. How to calculate GPA of grades. And many more.